Okay, so welcome back. This is going to be the continuation of my earlier video that I did. That was way close. So I went to Napa, and sadly, they did not have the connector I needed or anything close to it. I sadly don't feel like I'm in the mood to try and learn how a relay works 100%, like what pin goes where, what does what, and everything like that, and just it's not right now. I am already confused enough as is with all this technology that's in the car. So this is my dumb brain doing the bare minimum as it can already. So yeah. So the goal now is the fact that is going to be the fact that this is the old wire connector from the other datsun that I have. It's the 4-pin, which is kind of funny because the fuel relay in both cars is a 5-pin relay, but one pin isn't even connected, which is a little interesting. But I'm still going to be using the same relay. That relay is brand new. But I am going to trim these down and cut the old connector out, splice these in. I got quite a few butt connectors just to be safe. So yeah, got some butt connectors on there, and yeah, we're going to get to it and see. Okay, so I got the connector done and good to go. So with the connector here, I have it set up here. Got the butt connectors butted up, connected to it. Saying the same word all over again. But I got it set up, so I'm gonna go grab some heat shrink, and I'm gonna at least put the heat shrink on there so that when I start connecting it to the other one, when I get the other one cut out and splice it together, I can have the heat shrink to go over it and get it done and seal it properly. So I'll be right back. So I got the heat shrink right here. I am going to use the smallest one in the set, which is just going to be these guys right here, and this is honestly just long enough. I'm just going to use 4 of these. And then just put it over these. I have enough length on them, I can just put them on like this and have still be able to see what wires they are. And hard prep stuff when I haven't done, I just keep them up. So that's good to go. Now, let's carefully, I don't want to cut the entire connector off. Oh, I want to cut the entire connector off, I don't want to cut it too close. You guys can even see in there. Okay, so I got the keys, batteries hooked up. There we go. Takes a couple of good yanking sessions on that before it opens up. Pretty sure the door handle here is like loose, so the cable I just need to reconnect because it's either broken or something. But anyways, Here we go, here we go. The moment of truth. It's silent. It's, oh! It's not breaking. It's not clicking. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It worked. The connectors worked. Rewiring the connector fixed the problem. It's no longer. Still has a couple of, well, vacuum leaks I need to look into to make sure, but... Oh, God damn it! No! No! I just rewired you. You're brand new. You're a good wire. You're supposed to be working good. No! Ugh.